Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, I got my 2007 Honda Pilot. I put in a new battery and now my automatic windows do not go up and down. What I mean by that is the windows go up and down, but it has like a double click where they will automatically, like you double click it and the window goes up kind of by itself, and it does the same thing on the way down. So nothing's wrong, you didn't break it, but when the battery loses power to this unit, you have to reset this unit. So step one, start the car. Of course, I'm in a safe spot. And then I am going to push and hold this guy down till the window goes all the way down. And I gave it an extra second or two there. And then I'm going to pull it and hold it all the way up. And it says to hold it for an extra couple seconds. And then I'll take my finger off. And then let's do a hard push on it. There you go. Let's try it on the way back up. That good tug on the way up. And the automatic window is reset. Hey friends, hope this helped you out. If so, please hit like, subscribe to this channel. I've got a whole bunch of Honda Pilot videos on here, and we'll see you next time.